Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to submit your challenges to Frontend Mentor. So, on this channel, I've done a lot of Frontend Mentor challenges, but we have not submitted any of them. So, let's go on how to submit them. So, first of all, we're going to have to deploy it, then submit it. So, deployment is very easy. I'm also going to be showing you how to do that. So, without wasting any more of your time, let's get into it. So, you want to go to the challenge you want to submit. Like, I want to submit this one. Okay, so if you want to submit this one, you could click on it. So I'm going to submit this one. I have a video on it, so you can check it in the link in the description. So I want to submit this one. So you are going to visit Challenge Hub and you want to click on Submit Solution. So first of all, you want to give the solution a title, like you could write, I did this with SaaS product preview, whatever. So I'm just going to write a product preview card component. So you want to give this the repository URL. So what the repository URL is that you want to submit it to GitHub or whatever provider you're using. So we're gonna go to GitHub. And by the way, if you don't have a GitHub account, you can easily just make a GitHub account. So that is not hard. So I'm gonna come to my front end mentor section. So you're just gonna upload it here. Not actually here, but when you make a GitHub account, you make a repository and you can upload to your repository. So I'm gonna look for the one that I want to submit. As you can see that the one I want to submit is not actually quite here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna simply upload it by clicking on upload files. I want to drag my repository. I want to drag what I want to upload here. So just give this a moment to show. It should upload the files. So what I'm gonna do, I want to make a new branch first. I just call this product preview. Okay, so what I want to do is come back to code, plus click on it again. So it has uploaded, so I can click on product preview. And now if I come here, I can see my product preview. So what you want to do is I want to copy this URL, like mine. I'm going to paste it here. So the next thing I want to do is to have a live URL. So to deploy this is very easy. We're going to come to Netlify, actually. So just search Netlify on Google, like I'm going to search right now. I'm going to click on it. And again, if you have we're just going to log in. I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, you got to click on sign up. So give this a minute. Okay, so because I already have an account, that's why it automatically signed me in. But if you don't have an account, I'm going to sign up right now, so I can log in with my GitHub. So in case you have a GitHub, it's just really going to be very easy for you. Just click on log in with your GitHub, and it's going to log in with you. You can also log in with email, but GitHub is simpler. And by the way, we're going to deploy our site now. So we're going to click on add new site. We can't deploy this from GitHub, from this repository, by the way, but let's just keep things simple and deploy manually. So we're just going to drop the okay now. So let's click on drop it, and now it's going to upload, going to deploy our site. Okay, so it has deployed our site because it says site is live. And if it doesn't work for you, one thing I might say is that make sure the name of your file is index or HTML. Okay, it's index. The index there is very important. So this is it. And by the way, you can change the name of this in case if you want. You can click on deploy settings, or you could just come to site overview, click on site settings, click on change site name, and you could change this to something like I'm just going to change the tech up front because -3 because the name has to be unique. So I've changed it now. Now I can come there to tech up front -3. So what I'm going to copy this and click on live site URL. So title, repository URL, live link URL, and the tags are what you use to build it. Like if I use React, I can use React. I'm gonna click HTML. You can just look through the tags and see whatever works for you. So right now, we're pretty much cool with it. We can just click on accessibility, whatever. And if you wanted to ask any questions, like something you didn't get wrong, you can ask. So you can just ask. You can just something like feedbacks. They are welcomed. You can say something like feedback are welcome. Any question you want. So this one like feedbacks are welcome. Feedbacks are welcome. So I'm gonna click on submit. So I'm gonna submit it. So give this a sec. Okay, now so you can see that we have submitted ours. Click on it. You can see this is mine. This is our challenge. It says feedback are welcomed. And we can click on preview site and you can see it here. So that's how to submit a challenge to Frontend Mentor. Subscribe, like, and I'll catch you in the next video.